Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how to display the string without space. Okay, there are multiple spaces available inside the string. How we can remove the space and then how we will display the string without the space. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. I'm getting the input string from the user by using the input of string. Enter the string. And I'm going to store into some variable string. Okay, then I want to display the string without space. So for that I need some more variable. Okay, another one variable that's called string1. I'm taking the string1 variable. Initially that's an empty string. Okay, after removing the space I will store all the string into this string1 variable. Then I'm going to split the string. I'm going to split the input string. Control C, split off, store it into the variable new string. Okay, after splitting the string it has converted into the list format. Okay, I am going to apply the for loop. For I in range of, that means starts with 0 comma length of new string. Okay, it will search through the, we are searching the each and every characters in the string. It will search up to the length of the new string. After that I am going to add this element into the empty string 1. Okay, that's string 1 plus new string of I. Okay, I am adding the I element of the new string. Okay, new string means the splitted format of the string into the empty string. So new string of I. Finally I am adding some space. It will store into the string 1. Okay, and I'll print the results. String without extra spaces. String 1. Okay, then I'll save the program. I'm running the module. Enter the string. I am fine. Same, all the extra bases has removed, so it has converted as a single string. I'm fine. Okay, then I'll run again. All is well. all the extra spaces has removed. One more time, this time. Like that, it's enough. So after removing all the spaces, the single string Python has come. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please share to all your friends. Okay friends, thank you so much.